Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add payment method on Shopify. So, when aiming to reach a global client, payment methods are essential. Customers are given the freedom to select the payment method that best suits their needs by offering a range of Shopify payment options. Now, to set your payment method, what you want to do is go to your settings, select your icon, and then here you have to locate payments. So under payments, we have here options such as choose a provider, and then we have here add a payment method, and we have here manual payment method. So for choose a provider, you just have to tap this choose provider here and then select the payment method or provider that you want. And take note of the following here. You have to choose something that supports or available in your country. Because if you scroll down here, you will see that some of these payment providers are not available in your country, and so as in my country. So you have to take note of this. Now, once you know what payment provider you need, so all you have to do is to tap. Let's just say I'm going to pick the very first payment provider here. So let's see how it works. So for example, this one, I want to choose this as my payment provider or payment method. So I have to install this one first, and it will take me directly to that page or their page. Okay, click install again. And then what you want to do is to simply add some information. And what are those information? Those information is of course just basic, and all you have to do is to fill in those information here. Okay, and then once done, click save. Now you can go back to your Shopify store and see that this payment method or provider has been linked to your account. Also, same thing as if you tap this one here, for example, Payoneer. You have to install this one first and enter some information, the information that you needed, and then save. And this Payoneer will be linked to your Shopify account. Okay, so this is for just the first method. How about the second method here? As you can see, I have linked my PayPal here, but I need to complete the setup. Okay, so setup incomplete, so I have to complete this one first. And apart from PayPal, you can also add other payment methods such as Amazon or whatever payment provider or payment method that is available here. Okay, so I had to set this one, I had to complete this one first in order for me to use my PayPal. So it's just I have to link my PayPal account to my Shopify store. So to add other payment method, you just have to tap add payment method and search the payment provider here or payment method here and then tap and that's it. So the very last method here to set up your payment method is this what we call a manual payment method. You just have to simply enter some information, basic information here. So I'm going to show you what are those information. So tap this one first, manual payment method, and you will see options here like this one, bank deposit. We have here cash on delivery. And if you want to add your bank deposit as your payment method, you just have to enter some information and then activate. Same thing with this one. Same thing with cash on delivery. So you just have to add some details and instruct them on how to use this as their payment method too. And then once done, activate, and that's it. So this is just a very basic information and tutorial on how to add payment method in Shopify. And I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.